On occasion, your utility will be required to perform a brief site visit known as a meter spot to verify the condition of your utility meter. This is so the utility can ensure that your new PV system is safe to interconnect onto their grid. Don't worry, it's completely free and it's performed simply to get a better understanding of the electrical conditions of your home. The utility has been instructed to call or knock before arriving, and you can expect a call from the service representative within 7 to 10 business days. They require confirmation of the solar project before they will complete the meter spot. So it's important that this call is answered or returned in a timely fashion. If you won't be available during the meter spot, we ask that you keep all gates unlocked and pets secured to provide safe and clear access to the meter. The utility company doesn't always notify us when a meter spot has been completed, so you can help to expedite your meter spot process by keeping an eye out for a brightly colored sticker that they leave on their electrical meter panel or an adjacent area. Bonus points if you can provide a photo to your project coordinator showing where the sticker is placed and the surrounding area. This will help cut down on the time required to move your project forward.